Well, let's go back to the big story, which is, of course, the SEBI draft regulation rules with regards to mutual fund fees, distribution, commissions, etc. And the entire capital market space taking a bit of a knock this morning. Sonal is here just to recap and put the spotlight on the various businesses, groups within the ecosystem which are likely to get impacted. Sonal, take it away.
Thank you for that. Well, it's a big proposal to reduce fees or basically restructure the fees that mutual funds charge to their investors. Let's talk about the big ones which could impact the markets overall. The first is 5 basis points cut in the equity exit load related charge that can impact AMC profits. They basically have asked to remove that 5 basis points charges that were levied. And Jefferies says that if there is that 5 basis points that cut that comes by, it could impact AMC profits by 8 to 10% if it is implemented by FY27. Remember, it was implemented back in 2018, and now there's a proposal to squash it completely. There is proposed lowering the cap on brokerage fees paid by mutual funds as well. For cash market transactions to 2 basis points from 12 basis points. For derivatives from 5 basis points to 1 basis points. This is basically the charge that mutual funds pay the brokers when they buy the stocks in their portfolio. And of course, this would be negative for institutional brokers, be it the likes of 361, Nuvama, all of them which are a part of that brokerage ecosystem when it comes to the mutual fund industry as well. Additionally, we have proposals of reduction of expense ratio by 15 basis points for open-ended schemes, up to 25 basis points for closed-ended schemes, and they also indicate that statutory levies like STT, GST, you have stamp duty, that will be shown separately. They want to bring more transparency, they want to make it more investor-friendly, and that is why they proposed these changes. However, these are just proposals. Comments are awaited, and the last date for the same is 17th of November.
Okay, all right. Got that. Sonal, thank you very much for getting us the details there. A lot of these stocks are still reeling under pressure. As you can see, some of the broker stocks are still down. I'm just checking IIFL Capital, for instance, down 9% as we speak. CAMS is down 5.5%. And of course, the asset managers themselves are decidedly lower, at least as of now. Well,